Hey guys, it's Clary, and today I'll be telling you how to change the difficulty preset on a Windrose server. Firstly, all you have to do is open your Server.pro panel and then select your Windrose server. Then once you're in there, make sure you go to the Home tab and click the Stop button before making any changes. Once that's done, open the Files tab. Then follow this folder path. Go to R5, Saved, Save Games, Default, RocksDB, the version number, then Worlds, and then your World folder. Inside your World folder, locate and open the World Description JSON file. There you can set the difficulty preset by finding the following setting, World Preset Type, as you can see on the screen. Then you can change its value to one of the following, Easy, Medium, or Hard. As you can see, I'm changing it to medium. Inside the world settings curly brackets, replace the existing parameters with the preset values for your chosen difficulty. So you'll have to replace these values exactly how I'm showing you on the screen. So these are the values you have to edit for easy, medium, and hard. I just want medium, so I've copied the medium ones onto here respectively. But once that's done, click save after editing the file, and then you can start up your server again. Now your server will be launched with the updated difficulty preset. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to play more multiplayer games with your friends, you can go ahead and check out Server.pro.